Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Shein, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window or to the app of Shein app. And you can click here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click here because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and